how you can delete your Ton wallet account. Now before that, I'll just tell you what Toncoin is. It is native cryptocurrency used throughout the open network blockchain, and Tonkeeper wallet is just the easiest self-custody wallet to pay Toncoin and other tokens. Now I'll teach you guys how to delete its account. First, just open up the app. Now after you open the app, this should be your initial page after you type in your password. After you type in your password and this page comes up, just tap on the settings on the top right. Now after you tap on the settings, just scroll down till the end, and right above the legal option you'll see the delete account option. Tap on delete account and just delete the wallet. Just make sure that you have the backup for off recovery phrase of Ton wallet, and then tap on delete wallet data and your account will get deleted. It's literally that simple. You don't even need to type in your password. And after that, as you can see, now it's asking me to create a new wallet, and that is pretty much all for the video, guys. That is how you delete the account for Ton wallet. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye. Take care.